In part 1 of our exploration of Dragon Kung Fu, we delved into the various kicks and punches that are characteristic of this ancient martial art. We looked at how the distinctive Dragon Kung Fu kicks incorporate different directions, showcasing the agility and flexibility of the practitioner. From high kicks to sweeping low kicks, we saw how these techniques can be used to strike and defend from multiple angles. In part 2, we will focus on the specific body points that are targeted with Dragon Kung Fu kicks and punches. Attacking vital points in combat is a strategic tactic that can quickly incapacitate an opponent, rendering them unable to continue fighting. By targeting areas such as the eyes, throat, groin, and pressure points along the body, a skilled practitioner of Dragon Kung Fu can effectively neutralize their opponent's ability to defend themselves. This style requires a high level of skill and dexterity, as well as a deep understanding of human anatomy and the body's vulnerable points. Practitioners of Dragon Kung Fu must train rigorously to develop the speed and accuracy necessary to strike these vital points effectively. In conclusion, Dragon Kung Fu is a formidable martial art style that focuses on attacking an opponent's vital points with precision and skill. In Dragon Kung Fu, kicks play a crucial role in combat, allowing practitioners to strike with speed and precision. Training drills focusing on kicks are an essential part of mastering this martial art. One common training drill for Dragon Kung Fu kicks involves practicing multiple kicks in different directions. This drill helps to improve a practitioner's balance, coordination, and agility. By executing a series of kicks in rapid succession, students can enhance their speed and fluidity in combat situations. Additionally, practicing kicks in various directions helps to develop flexibility and range of motion in the legs. To enhance the effectiveness of this training drill, practitioners can incorporate footwork patterns and timing techniques to simulate real combat scenarios.